Hey everybody, what's going on? Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the Neewer dimmable bicolor 480 LED light. I picked this up from Amazon. It was on sale. It came to a total of $66. There's no tax for some reason. I know some products on Amazon doesn't have tax. I don't know why. It just depends on the seller. It usually goes for about $80. This is in Canadian. I noticed you can also get a 2-pack for $120. So I might send this back and get the 2-pack because it's a bit cheaper than the retail price since I got this one on sale. So you get this nice little carrying case. It's actually quite convenient and it's good for portability. Here's some documentation of the product. The lighting kit has a rating of 3200 and 5600 Kelvin and a CRI rating of 96 plus. It also comes with this white diffuser. I always use this. I don't see why you wouldn't want to use it. So here it is without the diffuser on it. It has 240 white LEDs and 240 yellow LEDs. So you can turn one on all the way, or you can leave it off all the way, or turn them both on, whichever you prefer. You can have one at 75% and the other at 25%. So it ranges from tungsten to daylight. Here's the AC/DC power adapter. The AC adapter comes included. You can also get the Sony batteries for wireless options. Comes with a 1-year warranty, which is pretty good. This is through Neewer. So here's the light itself with the U bracket. It's gonna put this diffuser over top of it. So far I've been using it and it's a pretty good light. I'll be doing a review in the future with some lighting demonstrations if you guys want to subscribe and see that coming up in the future here. If you guys have any questions or comments, just post them down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Cheers.